It doesn't matter how big or loud or bright your motorcycle is, it is pretty invisible in traffic, and that's the reality. Good morning, Internet. This is Joe from Joe Biker 25, and today I'm going to add another safety accessory to my 2025 Honda Goldwing DCT. When I prioritize my accessories or my farkles or whatever you want to call them, I start with safety for me and the motorcycle, and then I go to comfort, and then I go to looks. So, as you know, I've already added the T-Rex Racing engine guards down there. Looking really good. I'm waiting for my pannier engine guards from T-Rex Racing. Hopefully, they'll be on their way soon. But today, I'm going to take care of something that helps me see better and be seen better. So, today, I'm going to replace the stock mirrors, which are decent, with the Panovista extended mirrors with sequential turn signals. So let's take a look how they stack up in terms of size. You can see they're a lot bigger and they have built-in turn signals as well. The whole point is that I can expand my point of view because when you wear a full face helmet, your peripheral vision is already limited. So this hopefully will give me a wider point of view. And if you're a vehicle to my blind spot here, you may not notice my turn signals, but hopefully when they're built into the mirror itself, you'll notice me and hopefully give me a little bit of room and allow me to change lanes. So there are plenty of great videos on YouTube about the install, so I won't bore you with my installation. So through the magic of time and space, I'm going to come back with installed Panovista extended view mirror. So wish me luck. All right, I'm back after a successful install of the Panovista Extended Convex mirrors. Thank you all for your good wishes. Didn't break anything or hurt myself. So let's see how they stack up. These are the OEM mirrors on top and the Panovista Extended Convex mirrors down. You can see there's considerable size difference. You can see a little line here. That's the convex part that gives you a much better view of what's around you, particularly to the sides. As I talked about earlier, when you wear full face helmets, your peripheral vision is really limited. So anything you can do to expand your point of view is awesome. Right. So the cool part about these mirrors is they have built-in turn signals. Now you can get the mirrors without the turn signal. That should be a 5-minute install at the most. But I figured since I'm doing this, might as well do it properly. So that let's see what these turn signals look like. Turn on my hazards. They're pretty neat and I think really visible. So even in the daytime, they should be pretty obvious, hopefully, to somebody who's not texting while they're driving their car. So it just gives me an additional sense of visibility when I'm out in busy traffic. So again, the Panovista extended convex mirrors with sequential turn signals, about 165 bucks from Wingstuff plus tax. Not affiliated with Wingstuff or Panovista. Spent my own money, so opinions are mine and mine only. I hope you consider these for an additional safety feature, especially if you're towing a trailer. I think that extra view on a really big and wide bike can be extremely beneficial, not to mention increase your safety factor. So with that, I'm going to end my video now. If you enjoyed this and this added value to you, please consider subscribing to my channel, Joe Biker 25, and I will see you soon. Joe from Joe Biker 25 out.